with Michael Gibbs, and in today's video we are going to talk about Amiga boot selector for the classic boys. Well, I have received about 10 emails asking me if I could bring back the original look of Amiga boot selector. So you are a classic boy, you want to stay classy, you want to stay classic, here is the new version of Amiga boot selector. This is the first template. The second one. And the template for the classic boys. As you can see, the Amiga logo has been redesigned. There is no more anti-aliasing. It displays the CPU of your Amiga at the bottom of the screen, which can be useful if you are using the emulator and switching your Amiga. And that's all. That was Amiga boot selector for the classic boys. And don't forget that I am on the best French Amiga website, so don't hesitate to join us. Bye bye.